Hello, coming back to Python programming. Now start with some basics in Python. Already we seen the installation part. Now we'll see some basics in Python. Need to discuss one main points. One is, first of all, we need to understand what will be the comments. The comments are like how we can declare is using a hash symbol. We can comment the program. Okay. And the second thing is we can use how we can use doc strings. So doc strings also some type of comments only. So how we can use is so we can use with uh, like this, and we give you some comments. We can give the comments, and we have to discuss like this. Okay, and here some end of these comments we can give, yeah, like this we can give the doc strings, and of course or like this also we can give, and comments like this. And this doc strings are actually multi-line, the multi-line comments. So these things we will discuss separately while writing the programs. Okay, and third point we need to discuss is indentation. Indentation is nothing but here we need to provide some space. So how we can provide some space? For example, let us say if some x greater than 4, and you need to give colon first, then you should not write the program from here. At least one space or two space or three space. Let us take, I am taking 3 space. Then yeah, print x is greater. So like this you need to write. Okay. So here colon and followed by some space. Here this is a indentation. So that must follow. Okay. Let us say and the next point we need to know is how to read the values actually. How to read the values. That is how to scan the values. So, C programming there is a scanf, because we need, let us say here x is equal to 0. So we need to pass x value. How we can pass that x value? So that also we need to. So how we can read the input values, right? These are the essential things while writing the programs. Now just start. Okay, now we'll see the program. Just open the Notepad plus. Just click on plus symbol. Okay, just increase the font size in the view, zoom in. Okay, now write the program. Let us say if x greater than 4 colon print x is greater. Okay, we can take one more thing, else colon print x is smaller. So like this is a program actually. How we can run? Okay, before run, how we can pass the x value here? X is equal to take that input of enter the value, enter the number or anything, enter the number. Just see, save program, comments. Okay, dot py. Don't forget about the dot py. The py must. Okay, save. And now open the command prompt. Here also let us increase the font size. Go to the properties, font. Let us go for 20 or 24. 20 is enough. Yeah. Now cd OneDrive, cd desktop, cd Python programs. Okay, yeah, now, yeah, there are the programs, right? Here the program is comments.py, right? CLS. Okay, now Python space comments dot py, enter the number. Let us say, yeah, I'm giving the number like 8. Track back. Okay, we'll see what we written the program here. The comments is type error. Okay, so which type we need to give, right? Here let us say this is the int type. Okay, right, save. Now, okay, enter the value 8. Yeah, x is greater. Okay, right, let us say enter the value some 3. X is smaller. Yeah, this is the way we can see the program. Okay, we can write the program, right? So these are the points we discussed, right? Comments. Okay, comments not discussed, right? So actually comments are like this. Here comments is with hash. Yeah, the program is for the x value, whether it is greater or smaller. So this is the comments. So the comments we can use with hash symbol. Okay, and docstrings we need to discuss, and one more thing is indentation we discussed. Right here after colon we need to give some space, right? So that is must. And one more point is, let us say we need to write one more statement, like let us say print some x is larger. So if I write like this, so what happens? And yeah, see here. So x is greater and x is larger. So both statements are working. If you give some space here, let's say, so it gives error. Just see. So there is an error. So here need to understand that. So in the indentation, you must not give any space. So all the lines must be in the same alignment. And if you take that number of print lines, or number of lines will be executed within the colon. So how the braces can be used, like that we can use. So this is the way we can do this. And one more point is, yeah, we need to understand. We discussed the comments, we discussed the indentation process, and we discussed the how to read the input values. Yes, we written input values through input and enter the values. So this is like a scan statement. We can write it as a scan. So I'm writing with comments. This is like a scan statement. Okay, so like this we can write. We can write the program, right? Let us say def some function 1. So def function 1, I'm writing okay in, and here I'm writing like this. Let us say, so these are comments uh, using docstrings with a multi-line statements. Okay, so I'm going to use now. Okay, just comment all the things. Otherwise, okay, put it as it is. Now, right. the just print function1 dot doc doc. So what happens, just see. Okay, run the program here, enter the value. Okay, so value is 8, let us say. So anyway, this is printing, and apart from there are comments. Okay, just see here how the program is. Okay, here there are, these are the comments using doc strings and with a multi-line statements. So that is the, actually this is the doc strings actually. So this way we can use the doc strings, and so anyway we understand the comments, doc strings, and indentation, and how to read the input values. Okay, so this is about the somewhat basics of Python, which are essential while using the programs. Of course, we'll discuss some more basics while discuss the situations. Okay, right.